is another clip showing how to jump start a dead battery in a 2006 HHR. Open the hood and you'll see the positive post is here under the red cap. Flip it over, and if you look over here on the spring assembly mount, you'll see where it says ground. There. Hook it here, not here. There is a post under here. Do not hook it there. It looks like you would, but don't. Hook it here and here. The battery is in the trunk of this vehicle. Why, I don't know. If you hook it here, you get in your vehicle, you don't have any power steering, that's because you've blown the fuse to the power steering.